TV.
Hi guys, Wee Camdog here. Today we're making some lava lamps. Today I've got Wee Camdog here helping me, and it's really simple. So let's get started. Yay! It's got me here again. So, to make your lava lamp at home, you only need 4 things, like some oil, some water, some dissolving tablets, and some food colouring. No food. Okay. So the first thing we're going to do is put our oil into the wine glasses.
That's enough.
Want me? I want me.
You'll get a shot in a wee second. Campbell's just doing this bit. Right. That's enough.
I want my 10.
Pour it a wee bit quicker, it doesn't do that. That's it.
Oh, only that.
Right. It's okay.
So next thing we're going to do is put some water into the oil. That's enough. The other one. That one.
Give us the other one, that's it. That's enough, yep.
That's that.
Right, Campbell.
Wait. Yogurt.
That's it.
I can get them up. So next we need some food colouring. I'm going to put some purple in this one and some blue, light blue in this one. And Drew is going to put some red in this one and some dark blue in this one. So I'm going to put some purple in first.
So just do lots of wee drops. Squeeze. Maybe like 20 drops.
And my mix. The mix. Yeah. And my mix. Oh, that was 21 grams.
That's alright.
This one, white blue.
Watch you don't get that near close. Like that. Right, Drew, your shot.
This one?
Yep, we have to
That this one.
squeeze it in, that's it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come on.
She's doing alright. Keep going. Show her how to squeeze it. Oh, that's loads, right? Right, that's enough, Drew. That's enough.
That's enough.
Right, put that one down, swap.
That one. Right, put this one in here. No, Drew. This one.
Oh, that's loads. Right, that's enough.
That's enough. That's enough.
Okay, ready?
It's funny that you can, that you can see that you, now you can really see. You can't really see. Now it's time you put some dissolving tablets in.
Right, Drew, you put yours in. Put it in that one. You've already put one in, cheeky. There you go. And there's these ones. Right, move your chair out of the way, Campbell. Right, let's watch. Wow.
Right, this looks satisfying. Wow.
Look at the colours.
I know, they're going in the real colour.
Isn't it beautiful, Drew?
Yeah. It looks a lot different, I think.
Drew's is going crazy because she cheated and put her tablet in first.
I know.
Wow.
I'm keeping an eye on my too.
It looks like
My purple one's starting to go bright.
looks like a whirlwind, doesn't it?
I think it looks a bit like a wheel or up to the cloud. I mean, that one, like the start, looks a bit like a triangle. In the bottom bit.
Whoa, look at your purple. Wow.
Wow. Look at Drew's red. Because she put a red in first. My blue hasn't even done that much yet.
I like them when they're like that though, the middle ones, because they're just got wee gentle bubbles. The other ones are going crazy. I think they've got to fizz over the top.
I don't know. Look at the purple one, that's nearly fizzled over the top.
Might even come right out.
Volcano eruption. It's that purple. Look at the blue one, it's not going crazy, but
Let's see if we can zoom in. And
there's
see
loads of straight lines. The purple one's probably the dark blue is probably the less.
Yeah. Oh, there's a blue one going crazy now, look.
Yeah, no. The purple looks a bit crazy on the inside, but
Oh, your purple one's going beautiful now, see it?
I think my favourite one so far is probably the light blue or the purple. What do you guys think? Somehow I think it sounds satisfying as well.
Let's see if we can zoom in and hear it now. It's like fizzy, isn't it?
Yes, fizzy, and like the blue one's starting to go crazy.
Yeah, some of the other ones are starting to stop, yeah. Drew, what's your favourite colour?
What's your favourite colour? The red one.
The red one?
The red one?
Yeah, the red one's pretty.
The red one's starting to go a bit like pinkish. Same with the purple.
The red one's actually looks like it's got a bit of orange in it now.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say. And the top of the purple one looks like it's going pink.
It does.
Top. I think maybe like when it stops, it's all going to go to the top and float somehow with air.
I think that's us nearly done, eh?
Nearly. That looks a bit like that's almost done. I think the purple one's already done and the red, but
The blue's got a couple of bubbles, but
the light blue looks like it's still going a bit. Sorry I had to go for a wee minute there. Wee Camdog needed a bathroom break. It looks like you're sitting down right now, but why don't you try this at home with your family as well? And if you like this video, like and subscribe. Goodbye!
Wee Camdog TV.